In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your PayPal cannot withdraw to bank problem. So let's get straight into the video. So there are a couple of common reasons why you will be facing this problem, and it includes unverified or unconfirmed bank accounts, account has limitations or security holds, insufficient balance, or new activity or new account activity, funds on hold, incorrect bank details, and many more. So now in order to go ahead and fix it, what you want to do is firstly check your balance, make sure that you have a positive balance, and pending holds will also delay withdrawals. Always ensure that your bank account is linked and confirmed. Unverified accounts can't receive withdrawals. Also check account status. This is very important. Log in and check for any limitations or hold. Also resolve issues shown in resolution center. Now also ensure that the amount is within the PayPal limits, a minimum $10 per withdrawal. Also, funds from new sales may also be in hold, so wait for the hold period to end. And finally, simply make sure that your bank account details are correct. Incorrect details will also cause this new failure. Okay, so the other thing you want to try to do is simply log out and log back in, and it should fix your problem. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.